Looking to up your game on the court? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best pickleball paddles of 2025, perfect for players of all levels. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro, choosing the right paddle can make all the difference. We've researched the latest releases, top-rated gear, and expert recommendations to bring you paddles that offer the best in control, spin, power, and durability. All these picks are available on Amazon, making it easy to gear up fast. Stay tuned to find the perfect paddle for your playing style and budget. Number 5. Selkirk SLK Evo Control Max Pickleball Paddle. Discover the perfect balance of control and power with the Selkirk SLK Evo Control Max Pickleball Paddle. Its G8 Power carbon fiber face combined with a SpinFlex surface enhances spin consistency and ball control. The Rev Control polymer core delivers a balanced blend of power and control, while the Ultra Comfort grip absorbs both perspiration and impacts, allowing for extended play without fatigue. Highly rated and popular among players, this paddle is suitable for those seeking to improve their game with a reliable and high-performing tool. Number 4. NOX Pickleball Pro Shot. Step up your game with the NOX Pickleball Pro Shot 2025 paddle. Featuring a 12K carbon fiber face, this paddle offers lightweight durability and enhanced shot precision. The polypropylene core provides a consistent feel and improved touch, making it ideal for players who value control and responsiveness. Its design caters to tactical, fast-paced gameplay, allowing for quick reactions and strategic plays. Whether you're competing in tournaments or enjoying casual matches, the NOX Pro Shot 2025 paddle is engineered to meet the demands of serious pickleball enthusiasts. Number 3. Gary 16mm T700 Pickleball Paddle. Experience precision and power with the Gary 16mm T700 thermoformed raw carbon fiber pickleball paddle. Its T700 raw carbon fiber surface provides a high-grit texture for enhanced spin and control. The thermoform technology ensures durability and a larger sweet spot, while the 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core offers a balanced blend of power and control. The ergonomic 5.4-inch grip is designed for comfort and reduced fatigue. USAPA approved, this paddle is suitable for players seeking to elevate their performance in competitive play. Number 2. Passion Pulse V6 Pro Pickleball Paddle. Introducing the Passion Pulse V6 Pro Pickleball Paddle, a game-changer for players aiming to dominate the court. This paddle boasts a revolutionary carbon friction surface, delivering exceptional spin and control. Its 16mm polypropylene core provides a consistent feel and enhanced touch, ideal for strategic plays. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended sessions, and it comes with a neoprene cover for protection. Whether you're an intermediate player or a seasoned competitor, the Passion Pulse V6 Pro offers the performance and reliability needed to elevate your game. Number 1. OXIKEN 2025 USAPA Pickleball Paddle. Elevate your game with the OXIKEN 2025 T700 Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. Designed for players seeking a blend of power and control, this paddle features a high-grit T700 carbon fiber face that enhances spin and shot precision. The honeycomb core ensures a responsive feel, while the elongated handle offers improved reach and maneuverability. Its anti-slip, sweat-absorbing grip provides comfort during intense matches. USAPA approved, it's suitable for competitive play. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an enthusiastic amateur, the OXIKEN 2025 paddle is engineered to boost your performance on the court. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top best pickleball paddles of 2025. Whether you're aiming for power, control, or a perfect balance of both, there's a paddle here to boost your performance on the court. All the products featured in this video are available in the description below, so check them out for more details. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Facts for more informative and tech top best product reviews and comment your favorite paddle choice. See you in the next one.